بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. التسجيل 31 من كتاب 1300 قانون في الرياضيات. الشكل 194 x0y 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 cd 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 x equal uy x equal uy x equal uy x equal vy x equal vy x equal vy. 1086 double integrals over rectangular regions. Double integrals over rectangular regions. Double integrals over rectangular regions. If R is the rectangular region, if R is the rectangular region, if R is the rectangular region, AB by CD, AB by CD, AB by CD, then double integer from R, then double integer from R, then double integer from R, fxy dx dy equal fxy dx dy equal fxy dx dy equal integer from A to B, integer from A to B, integer from A to B, integer from C to D, integer from C to D, integer from C to D, fxy dy dx, fxy dy dx, fxy dy dx equal integer from C to D, equal integer from C to D, equal integer from C to D, integer from A to B, 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 integer وعيد من عند equal integer from A to B, integer from A to B, integer from A to B, integer from C to D, integer from C to D, integer from C to D, fxy dy dx equal fxy dy dx equal fxy dy dx equal integer from C to D, integer from C to D, integer from C to D, integer from A to B, integer from A to B, integer from A to B, fxy dx dy, fxy dx dy, fxy dx dy. In the special case where the integrand fxy, in the special case where the integrand fxy, in the special case where the integrand fxy can be written as gx hash y, we have gx hash gx hash y, we have gx hash y, we have gx hash y, we have double integer from R fxy dx dy, double integer from R fxy dx dy, double integer from R fxy dx dy equal double integer from R gx hash y dx dy equal double integer from R gx hash y dx dy equal double integer from R gx hash y dx dy equal integer from A to B gx dx equal integer from A to B gx dx equal integer from A to B gx dx integer from C to D hash y dy, integer from C to D hash y dy, integer from C to D hash y dy. 1087 change of variables, change of variables, change of variables, double integer from R fxy dx dy equal double integer from R fxy dx dy equal double integer from R fxy dx dy equal double integer from S, double integer from S, double integer from S, fxuv 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 yuv 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 absolute partial derivative xy on absolute partial derivative xy on absolute partial derivative xy on partial derivative uv partial derivative uv partial derivative uv du dv du dv du dv where absolute partial derivative xy on where absolute partial derivative xy on where absolute partial derivative xy on partial derivative uv partial derivative uv partial derivative uv equal absolute equal determinant equal determinant equal determinant partial derivative x on partial derivative u partial derivative x on partial derivative u partial derivative x on partial derivative u partial derivative x on partial derivative v partial derivative x on partial derivative v partial derivative x on partial derivative v partial derivative y on partial derivative u partial derivative y on partial derivative u partial derivative y on partial derivative u partial derivative y on partial derivative v partial derivative y on partial derivative v partial derivative y on partial derivative v none equal 0 none equal 0 none equal 0 is the Jacobian of the transformations is the Jacobian of the transformations is the Jacobian of the transformations xy uv xy uv أو xy2 uv xy2 uv xy2 uv and s is the ballpark and s is the ballpark and s is the ballpark of r which can be computed by x equal x uv x equal x uv x equal x uv y equal y uv y equal y uv y equal y uv into the definition of r into the definition of r into the definition of r 1088 polar coordinates x equal r cosine theta x equal r cosine theta x equal r cosine theta y equal r sin theta y equal r sin theta y equal r sin theta الشكل 195 x0y 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 theta 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 r r r 1089 double integrals in polar coordinates double integrals in polar coordinates double integrals in polar coordinates the differential dx dy for polar coordinates is the differential dx dy for polar coordinates is the differential dx dy for polar coordinates is dx dy equal absolute dx dy equal absolute dx dy equal absolute partial derivative xy on partial derivative r theta partial derivative xy on partial derivative r theta partial derivative xy on partial derivative r theta dr d theta dr d theta dr d theta equal r dr d theta equal r dr d theta equal r dr d theta. Let the region R is determinant as follows. Let the region R is determinant as follows. Let the region R is determinant as follows. G theta bigger than equal 0. G theta bigger than equal 0. G theta bigger than equal 0. Less than equal r, less than equal r, less than equal r, less than equal h theta, less than equal h theta, less than equal h theta. Theta bigger than equal alpha, theta bigger than equal alpha, theta bigger than equal alpha, less than equal beta, less than equal beta, less than equal beta, where beta minus alpha less than equal to pi, where beta minus alpha less than equal to pi, where beta minus alpha less than equal to pi, where alpha minus beta less than equal to pi. Double integer from r fxy dx dy equal double integer from r fxy dx dy equal double integer from r fxy dx dy equal integer from alpha to beta, integer from alpha to beta, integer from alpha to beta, integer from g theta to h theta, integer from g theta to h theta, integer from g theta to h theta, f r cosine theta r cosine theta r sin theta, f r cosine theta r sin theta, f r cosine theta r sin theta, read f r cosine theta r sin theta, r d theta r d theta r d theta. الشكل 196 x0y 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 0 read theta equal alpha, theta equal alpha, theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, theta equal beta, theta equal beta, h theta g theta h theta theta g theta h theta g theta s s s. In the region R is the polar rectangle given by. If the region R is the polar rectangle given by, in the region R, in the polar rectangle given by a bigger than equal 0, a bigger than equal 0, a bigger than equal 0, less than equal r, less than equal r, less than equal r, less than equal b, less than equal b, less than equal b. Theta bigger than equal alpha, theta bigger than equal alpha, theta bigger than equal alpha, less than equal beta, less than equal beta, less than equal beta, where alpha minus beta less than equal to pi, where alpha minus beta less than equal to pi, where alpha minus beta less than equal to pi. Then double integer from r, then double integer from r, then double integer from r, fxy dx dy equal fxy dx dy equal fxy dx dy equal integer from alpha to beta, integer from alpha to beta, integer from alpha to beta, integer from a to b, integer from a to b, integer from a to b, fr cosine theta r sin theta, fr cosine theta r cosine theta, fr cosine theta r sin theta, rd theta, rd theta, rd theta. الشكل 197 x0y 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 r equal a, r equal b, r equal a, r equal b, r equal a, r equal b. Theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, r r r. 1090 area of a region, area of a region, area of a region. A equal integer from a to b, a equal integer from a to b, a equal integer from a to b, integer from gx to fx, integer from gx to fx, integer from gx to fx, dy dx, dy dx, dy dx. For a type I region, for a type read, for a type 1 region, for a type 1 region, for a type 1 region. الشكل 198 x0y 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 ab y equal gx, y equal hx, y equal gx, y equal hx, y equal gx, y equal hx. A equal integer from c to d, a equal integer from c to d, a equal integer from c to d, integer from py to qy, integer from py to qy, integer from py to qy, dx dy, dx dy, dx dy. for a type 2 region الشكل 199 x0y CD x equal qy x equal py x equal py 1091 volume of a solid V equal double integer from R fxy dA V equal double integer from R fxy dA volume equal double integer from A fxy dA الشكل 200 x0yz R z equal fxy if R is a type 1 region bounded by if R is a type 1 region bounded by if R is a type 1 region bounded by x equal A x equal B x equal A x equal B x equal A x equal B y equal hash x y equal hash x y equal hash x y equal gx y equal gx y equal gx then V equal double integer from R then V equal double integer from R then V equal double integer from R fxy dA equal integer from A to B equal integer from A to B equal integer from A to B integer from hash x to gx integer from hash x to gx integer from hash x to gx fxy dy dx fxy dy dx fxy dy dx if R is a type 2 region bounded by if R is a type 2 region bounded by if R is a type 2 region bounded by y equal c y equal d y equal c y equal d y equal c y equal d x equal qy x equal qy x equal qy x equal py then x equal py then x equal py then V equal double integer from R fxy dA V equal double integer from R fxy dA V equal double integer from R fxy dA equal integer from C to D equal integer from C to D equal integer from C to D integer from py to qy integer from py to qy integer from py to qy fxy dx dy fxy dx dy fxy dx dy if xy bigger than gxy if xy bigger than equal right if xy bigger than equal gxy if xy bigger than equal gxy if xy bigger than equal gxy over a region R over a region R then the volume of the solid between then the volume of the solid between z1 equal fxy z1 equal fxy z1 equal fxy and z2 equal gxy and z2 equal gxy and z2 equal gxy الأولى z1 over R is given by V equal double integer from R fxy minus gxy dA V equal double integer from R fxy minus gxy dA V equal double integer from R fxy minus gxy dA 1092 area and volume in polar coordinates area and volume in polar coordinates if S is a region in if S is a region in, if S is a region, if S is the region in, if S is the region in, if S is the region in, the xy plane bounded by, the xy plane bounded by, the xy plane bounded by theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, theta equal alpha, theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, beta, r equal ash theta, r equal ash theta, r equal ash theta, r equal g theta, r equal g theta, r equal g theta, then r equal double integer from s dr, then r equal double integer from s dr, then r equal double integer from s dr, equal integer from alpha to beta, equal integer from alpha to beta, equal integer from alpha to beta, integer from ash theta to g theta, integer from ash theta to g theta, integer from ash theta to g theta, rd rd theta, rd rd theta, rd rd theta. V equal double integer from s fr theta, v equal double integer from s fr theta, v equal double integer from s fr theta, rd rd theta, rd rd theta, rd rd theta. الشكل 201 x0y 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 theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, theta equal alpha, theta equal beta, g theta ash theta, g theta ash theta, g theta ash theta, s s s. 1093 surface area, surface area, surface area. S equal double integer from R, S equal double integer from R, S equal double integer from R, root 1 plus, root 1 plus, root 1 plus, partial derivative x on partial derivative, with partial derivative z on partial derivative x, all square, partial derivative z on partial derivative x on all square, partial derivative z on partial derivative x all square, plus partial derivative z on partial derivative y all square, plus partial derivative z on partial derivative y all square, plus partial derivative z on partial derivative y all square, dx dy, dx dy, dx dy. ألف وأربعة وتسعون mass of a lamina, mass of a lamina, mass of lamina, m equal double integer from R, if m equal double integer from R, m equal double integer from R, mu with rho xy dr, rho xy dr, rho xy dr, where the lamina occupies a region R, where the lamina occupies a region R, where the lamina occupies a region R, and it is density at, and it is density at, and it is density at a point xy is, a point xy is, a point xy is rho xy, rho xy, rho xy. 1095 momentous, momentous, momentous. The moment of the lamina about, the moment of the lamina about, the moment of the lamina about, the x-axis is given by, the x-axis is given by, the x-axis is given by formula, formula, formula. mx equal double integer from R, mx equal double integer from R, mx equal double integer from R, y rho xy dr, y rho xy dr, y rho xy dr. The moment of the lamina about, the moment of the lamina about, the moment of the lamina about, the y-axis is, the y-axis is, the y-axis is my equal double integer from R, my equal double integer from r, my equal double integer from r, x rho xy dA, x rho xy dA, x rho xy dA. The moment of interior about the x-axis is. The moment of interior about the x-axis is. The moment of interior about the x-axis is. The x-axis is. Ix equal double integer from r. Ix equal double integer from r. Ix equal double integer from r. Y square rho xy dA. Y square rho xy dA. Y square rho xy dA. The moment of interior about the y-axis is. The moment of interior about the y-axis is. The moment of interior about the y-axis is. Iy equal double integer from r. Iy equal double integer from r. Iy equal double integer from r. X square rho xy dA. X square rho xy dA. X square rho xy dA. The polar moment of interior is. The polar moment of interior is. The polar moment of interior is. I0 equal double integer from r. I0 equal double integer from r. I0 equal double integer from r. X square plus y square. X square plus y square. X square plus y square. Rho xy dA. Rho xy dA. Rho xy dA. 1096 center of mass. Center of mass. Center of mass. X equal my on m. X equal my on m. X equal my on m. Equal 1 on m. Equal 1 on m. Equal 1 on m. Double integer from r. X rho xy dA. Double integer from r. X rho xy dA. Double integer from r. X rho y dA. Equal double integer from r. X rho xy dA. Equal double integer from r. X rho xy dA. Equal double integer from r. X rho xy dA. On double integer from r. Rho xy dA. On double integer from r. Rho xy dA. On double integer from r. Rho xy dA. Y equal mx on m. Y equal mx on m. Y equal mx on m. Equal 1 on m. Double integer from r. Equal 1 on m. Double integer from r. Equal 1 on m. Double integer from r. Y rho xy dA. Y rho xy dA. Y rho xy dA. Equal integer from r. Y rho xy dA. Equal double integer from r. Y rho xy dA. Equal double integer from r. Y rho xy dA. On double integer from r. On double integer from r. On double integer from r. Rho xy dA. Rho xy dA. Rho xy dA. 1097 change of a blade. Change of a blade. Change of a blade. Q equal double integer from r. Sigma xy dA. Q equal double integer from r. Sigma xy dA. Sigma equal double integer from r. Sigma xy dA. Where electrical change is distributed over a region r. Where electrical charge is distributed over a region r. Where electrical charge is distributed over a region r. Where electrical charge is distributed over a region r and it is charge density at a point, and it is charge density at a point, and it is charge density at a point xy is sigma xy, xy is sigma xy, xy is sigma xy. 1098 average of a function average of a function average of a function. mu equal 1 on s, mu equal 1 on s, mu equal 1 on s, double integer from r fxy dr, double integer from r fxy dr, double integer from r fxy dr, where s equal double integer from r dr, where s equal double integer from r dr, where s equal double integer from r dr. وصلى الله تبارك وتعالى على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين والحمد لله رب العالمين.